So today you're gonna see how I made a 50% profit by using the perps with Jupiter. Hope you enjoyed. So the first thing, I'm connecting my wallet. I really like Phantom. It's one of my favorite wallets. And I'm gonna do it with just a couple of dollars. So you can see that you can, achieve everything or anything with a very small amount of money. So I have sold, but I need to do a transaction. So I'm gonna change 10.1, swap it. Yeah, that's what I like it. It's so fast. Now, nice. Confirm. Look. Now I can go to the perps. Very important, your entry price. Also, what is the liquidation price? And how just in a couple of minutes, if your leverage is very high, you can just be liquidated very, very fast. So I'm doing a short position right now, ATX, because I saw them going up a little bit. I think it will just go up and then it will start going down. Now you can see it. Okay. So this is my entry price, 71. Establish the take profit or the stop loss. This is very important. Just want to close the market and say, no, this is too intense for me. Just click on market close. Okay. So, and here you will choose the size. Like if you want to close all the position, if you just want to close part of the position, whatever, you can just confirm. And I put a take profit, and you can see that blue line. So when it goes to 7766, which you can also take, see here, I'm gonna take profit automatically. Remember, always have Solana to do the transactions. That's the key part. So check this. I'm so close to activate my take profit. And the good thing about activating the take profit and the stop loss is that as soon as you activate, you are signing the transaction with Solana. So I went to bring more coffee and look, the position was activated. Check the trade history and look, short, the trigger, and I just win $5. Let me know if you have more questions about how to do perps. And you can do it with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and with Solana. So experiment with Jupiter Exchange. And if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments and subscribe.